all the way out.
Already releasing
forward right here.
Right there.
Woo! Freedom.
What's up, y'all? I'm Dr. Dylan.
Hey guys, I'm Dr. Brock.
And we just got done hiking a little over 10 miles, really running.
Yeah.
A little over 10 miles with the 510 hikers. I had a killer time today.
Yeah, it was awesome.
I feel we were talking like about neuroplasticity and just feeling the body in ways that we don't feel it before, and now I'm feeling some shit.
Yeah, I'm feeling a little bit too.
Yeah. So we wanted to take a video real quick and show you what it looks like for a couple chiropractors to adjust one another, and we're gonna kind of talk you through it and show you what we notice and what we feel. I'm currently feeling some stuff in my left SI joint. I'm also feeling like my right calf. We were running on a bit of an incline most of the day, and I feel like my right heel is just totally stuck. So first thing I'm gonna do after a 10-mile run is ask my boy Dr. Brock to hook me up.
Let's go.
And yeah, we're gonna get into it.
Cool, yeah, and same. I feel like a little bit of compression in the low back. I also felt the like kind of the medial part of right above my knees for when we were doing like those downhill climbs, like running downhill. Yeah, definitely. And then some stuff going on with the ankle. A lot of, I mean, one thing about the trail running is it's so great for the neuroplasticity, and you're putting your joints in different motions that you aren't usually doing.
Right.
So a lot of stimulation to the brain in that way, but it can also kind of tweak some muscles that are not as strong as they should be. So,
yeah, we're using muscles all day that like aren't used when you're just running on concrete.
Right, correct.
Cool.
Yeah, so stoked.
All right, brother, I'll adjust you first.
Cool. He's done?
Yeah, man. Whew. Dude, getting adjusted in nature.
Yeah.
I'm into that. So, noticing that stuck ankle over heel, over here, in the heel. Let it go, perfect, right there. A little reorganization of the system. Brock, send some breath to your lower diaphragm. Very good. Awesome. Brock's been getting a lot of network care, which is light touch tonal work. And so you'll see how his system really is being a part of the adjustment and organizing itself just by inviting him to bring some awareness and breath to different areas that might be a little over or underactive, and he can just kind of move through it and start to reorganize his system. I like to do this before we start putting in big osseous impulses because it helps his body get to ease before we start really sending in some big shifting adjustments. And I mean, the network care can also be super wild and shifting. Let's come this side up, my man. Allow the hip to fall back. Oh, already releasing. Right there. Woo! On your back.
Pretty rad view, just like looking up right at a tree.
If only you could get that into practice, huh? That ankle's moving much better now. This one could use some love. Your arms for me. Let go. Woo! Nice. New space. That's the best strategy after a long hike like that gets the muscles all tight and tired, is to give them space in the joints. Allow that freedom to go through. Brock, let your left arm fall off the table. Back to neutral. C5. Oh man, you are balanced, clear, and connected. Hook me up, brother. Here's your hat.
Thank you. Thank you. It's down here. Nature. Just noticing what I'm noticing. A slight short leg here on the right. Goes long. However, a little more sticking on the left. So more tension on this calcaneus.
Well, I feel that.
Yeah, but I think so. So we have some tension on this calcaneus, but if you can see here when we go to the center, how that calcaneus pops out, it's creating a lot of the tension coming from the way this hip is. So we're gonna start to connect this spot in this area to the brain to start to integrate that. So I'm gonna have you take 3 deep breaths right into this joint right here. Good. Good. Even out. So even just bringing some of that proprioception and awareness there, already a little better there. So, I'm seeing a few things on the hip. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have you face me this side up. Okay. Where we got this sacrum right here is rotated posteriorly on the left because of the shift of the pelvis. So we're going to take a deep breath into your belly, all the way out, relaxing this forward right here.
Oh, freedom.
Yeah.
Face up or down?
Face down. Okay. A lot of that compression from the running, right?
Yeah. Dude, already feels different.
Already different. Check this. A little more freedom on that left hip. There is a part of this side of the pelvis that I do want to address, so I'm going to have you face me this side up also. Cool. You notice that was a pretty earthy drop, sinking into that sacrum, like a deeper set. This is not going to be quite as deep. It's more of a glide from that sacroiliac joint. So deep breath in, let that all the way out, relaxing this forward. Nice.
Totally different.
Let's go face up. Wow. Seeing the hips, calcaneus, inversion. There we go. Oh yeah. A little bit in the midfoot. Hi, brother. Also from that hike, when we're going downhill, you're slightly forward, so you have some fixation going on in that mid back from trying to hold yourself up while you're running down. So
right.
I'm gonna have you tuck your chin and lean up to me. Deep breath in, let that all the way out, and then lay it back.
Oh.
There. Yes.
Mm.
Go ahead and put your feet up on the table. Check in. What's going on here? Take a deep breath in. Good. So neck moving relatively nicely. I'm going to have you look to the left and look to the right to see if either way is harder for you to, or where you notice any tension you may be holding.
Mostly feeling it in the upper, in the atlas on the left.
Yeah.
Atlas C1, C2.
So there's a few spots where we're feeling. When we go this way, pretty good motion. When we're going this way, a little
It feels
stick
restricted
right there.
Yeah.
I'm also feeling some of your anterior scalenes sticking up right here.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna hit the C2. There is.
Oh
There we go.
man.
I'm also feeling some of this anterior geometry just really sticking right there. So I'm going to go actually through the SCM. There we go.
Dude, that was new.
Yeah.
I don't know if I've ever had that one. Dig that.
Let that integrate. And then we want to check the tension in the neck here. Nice.
You feel that cavitation? Right when you touch C7 on T1 just released.
Yeah. Yeah, that is better. There's one more spot up here.
Okay.
I'm just feeling some tension still coming from that upper
Yeah.
thoracics. Switching right here.
Okay.
Rotating to me. Brother, deep breath in. Put these feet up. Lift that all the way up.
There it was.
Wow. The upper rib.
That was big.
Yeah. What we were noticing. Yeah, feel how that
so
goes.
much
different
better.
now. Yeah, from the anterior, like C5 right here, and then also those upper ribs. Probably from the running around, and when you're in that sympathetic mode, you're breathing more into your shoulders.
Yeah.
Jarring yourself around.
Right.
So just more fixation and energy being held right there, and so it's good.
Clear?
You're good, man.
Dude, I'm feeling great. Thanks, brother.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the Chiro to Chiro video. And if you need any support, I'm Dr. Dyllon Mawn. I work at the Source Chiropractic. And
Yeah. Dr. Broc Sheets. I'm at Golden Gate Chiropractic over in the city, over in San Francisco. So, yeah.
whatever you need, we got
Good.
you.
Yeah. Let's go get some lunch.
Let's get some lunch.